what's going on? I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, here with this installation video to help you get your Ford F-150 set up and ready to rock. What do you say we jump into it? Starting at the rear of the flare, remove the plastic fasteners. At the front of the fender, remove the 5.5mm head screw. Remove the 3 fir tree anchors in the 11, 12, and 1 o'clock position. Using a body clip tool or equivalent, unclip the flare from the fender and set it aside. Remove the 5.5mm screws located here, here, and here, with a 4th to be removed at the top of the factory mud flap. Make sure you properly clean the entire area and use the adhesive promoter. Before placing the flare, make sure that you properly fold out the ends of the double-sided tape for easy removal once against the vehicle. Tuck the end of the fender flare behind the top of the mud flap and loosely secure with a 5.5mm bolt. Doing the same with the 7mm screw at the front of the fender flare. Next, using the supplied clips, insert into the fender flare and loosely attach using your 5.5mm screws in the stock locations. Starting at the front of your fender flare, begin to remove the backing to the double-sided 3M tape. After you've removed the backing, press down firmly and hold in place the front of the fender flare to ensure adhesion. Moving to the back of the fender flare, make sure that the gasket is properly in place as you begin to remove the backing to the double-sided 3M tape, pressing down firmly as you go. After completed, allow to sit to maintain proper adhesion. Before placing the RTR fender flares on the vehicle, make sure that any stock flares have been removed. You'll do so by removing the 4 fir tree fasteners attached around the inner rim. You'll also need to remove the 2 bolts on either side of the bottom of the fender flare. Then use a body panel removal tool or its equivalent to remove the stock flare. In your kit, you will have 5 U-clips for each fender. We'll start off by using the 2 largest ones that are noted here with a hole in the center. Set the fender flare up against the body once it has been properly cleaned and adhesive promoter has been applied, turning out the bottom of your tape as we did with the front flares. Once in place, use the 2 largest clips at the bottom of each corner of the fender flare to hold it in place, using the provided slots in the flare as a clipping point. Then using the 3 smaller remaining U-clips, find the notches in the fender flare, ensuring that it covers the lip of the fender and snaps into place. Moving to the back of the fender flare, make sure that the gasket is properly in place as you begin to remove the backing to the double-sided 3M tape, pressing down firmly as you go. After completed, allow to sit to maintain proper adhesion. Okay, I hope you guys liked that video. I hope it was very informative to you. We have some more stuff that we're gonna try and be putting out on Thursday that's gonna be more parts related. Since I work for RTR, that means it's gonna be RTR parts. So we do have some new stuff that's gonna be coming up for you, as well as little Miss Gabby here. We have to transform her green machine that she's got behind her that she is named the She-Hulk. Okay, she whack. See you guys later.
Yay.